Today I'm going to review 5 websites from Reddit. Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm Igor, a freelance web developer and SEO consultant based in Dublin. I'm gonna react and I'm gonna review your 5 websites that you have submitted on my Reddit. So if you want your website to be reviewed by me, just drop your link inside the comments down below and just hit the like and subscribe button. And I will review your website next time. Okay, so let's actually get started. The first project, is the Yeldan Cars, and it's based on the Netlify headless CMS, and also it's the application, and it's based, I think, on the React or on the Angular. Anyway, as you can see, we have a background video playing in the background, Mr. Obvious. And then we have it's just a project with the variables, so you can select the colors, for example, and the car will change the color according to the chosen variable. Pretty convenient, pretty smart, you know, it's nothing spectacular, it's just a project. I think from the back end, more happening than here on outside. But I really like this, and what I don't like is these two contact forms. They should be just go with the one, okay? Just put everything here inside the contact. That's all. And what I don't like also is the arrow thing. If I go there, it will give me overlay the full width. I don't like this. I don't know why you did this include, but I don't like this. If I'm gonna just inspect this very quickly inside the Google Chrome inspector, and from how it performs on mobile, we can see there's some kind of overlapping text. For example, all cars has no width, or it has no width, or it has white space is not. White space should be where is that? Our cars, white space should be no wrap, okay? Because white space is wrapped around the H2 in this case. So let me just quickly take a look on that. Yeah, it looks okay, you know. I don't like I really like the background video, but I don't like the position fixed. And I think it should be position absolute, because my laptop now is burning, okay? It's burning, and what I would suggest is just to keep your video the most, heavy thing on the top. Make this maybe async, maybe, or defer, using defer or async JavaScript optimization. And also just make sure that this one is not overlapping, okay? Because on mobile it might be difficult, okay, for the user. But anyway, the project looks nice. It's very straightforward. It's very quick review because it's very straightforward. I'm gonna run Screaming Frog, and Screaming Frog is the SEO spider. It's the free version, allows you to crawl 500 URL, submit it to this software, and also it will give us a very wide spectrum. How many links you have, how many headings, how many headings do you have, everything, basically everything. And it will crawl the website, okay? It will crawl the website as a spider, as a Google algorithm spider or something similar. But anyway, it will give us the relevant informations, okay? So as you can see, the status code is 200, is okay. There's no 301 or 400. Now let me go to the H1. The H1 is, best car experience. It's just only one H1, that's okay. H2, we have only one. That's just too bad. You should at least aim for 5-6 per section. Content, 318 word count, So as you can see, it's working. The meta keywords, that's not important anymore. Meta description, that's important. Page titles, Yeldan Cars, best car experience, it's too short. Let's proceed actually to the next website, which is Sauva Visual. And sauvavisual.com, we help event designers by creating exceptional visualization experiences. I don't know what the hell is going on. I really like the video, the background video. And as you can see, the comparing to the previous one, this is the position absolute, or it stays on the top, which is great, okay? So it does not kill my laptop, my old laptop. Very well done, laptop. Okay, so what I really liked is I like how the website is constructed, and I don't like this. I don't like the padding, the missing padding, okay? And I think it's because it's not. Let me just take a look very quickly, inspect this. So section 363.8, it has height 6 viewport height, and let's go for the 20 viewport height. Okay, see, we got like the padding from the top and right. Okay, just make sure that this will have some space to breathe. Now the next one is what I don't like is this, the gray dull background. So let's go there and let's just click on that and let's change the color, actually the background color to the accent color. Boom, there you are. It will bring attention. You must bring attention because I don't know what's going on. Now the next one, I really like the steps, how you explain the ideation, brief, and inventory. The numbers in the steps should have brand color. It should bring attention. Let's go to the event renderings. Now there's no H1. I mean, there's no text. You should implement text as SAP, okay? Because it will be very hard for spiders to crawl. Now the next one is the contact. I don't like the column widths. The column width should be equal to the logo, to the header. I don't like this. And also I don't like the phone number. Like it's not optimized for laptop. It should be optimized for laptop. It should be much more wider. And Tony Stark Industries, Tony Stark. I mean, that's just ridiculous. Just don't put anything inside the placeholder. Okay, labels already explain everything. So that's it from the laptop. Let's go to the mobile view. I have to say, like, it looks not bad, really. Like, I have, it has some maybe issues with the padding. For example, here, maybe the padding should be like equal to this section. One RAM on the left side, one left on the left side, one RAM on the right side. But overall, it's not bad. It's really not bad. And yeah, one thing I don't like is this one, the logo. And let's just delete this. I think this is the logo. Just display none. And let's just align this Instagram icon to the center, which I think gives us the better user flow, okay, from top to bottom, especially on mobiles. What else I don't like? I don't like that I need to scroll up in order to get to the navigation. That should be fixed. And also, like, here is fine, everything is fine. Yeah, the contacts works okay. So yeah, as you can see, here's the contact. The field is 100% wide. Okay, it covers the viewport, but on the laptop it doesn't. Okay, so it must be fixed. Anyway, let's see how the Screaming Frog, how it like looks in Screaming Frog. Okay, just let's go there and Sauva Visual, and yeah, let's take a look on that. So the Screaming Frog shows us like the status code is 200. That's okay. What else? The indexability is everything is indexable. That's okay. Okay, let's go to the H1. And we have like H1 has two headings, one, which is just too much, okay? Just go with the one. Heading 1 should be only one time displayed on one page. In this case, on home page, there should be only one H1. Okay, let's go to the H2. There's, like I said, like it's very small. amount of h2. Try to increase the headings too. Okay, and like size structure, yeah, it's based on the WordPress. h2 all 4, h1 4. Yeah, it's not bad, but just make sure that you have one heading, okay? That you have one heading on homepage, for example, on one page. Okay, like furniture renderings, like I said, there is no heading. Make sure put some text, because otherwise what Google should put inside their SERP. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, which is, in this case, we have the Clayton Hotel. The Clayton Hotel, what I can spot immediately is it has no SSL. Maybe this is a project, I don't know. If it's just a demo or is a like very beginner project, that's okay, or showcase, that's okay. And what I can immediately also spot is I don't really like the dark background regarding the image. The image is, it's not very bright, but it's not very dark either. I would say it's in the middle. So just make sure that your background fits to the image, okay? So in my case, I would go with the bright version. Experience the true luxury in Vienna. Book now. That's okay. The lorem ipsum, the navigation, the bullet points, it doesn't work. Now this is like quite weird. This is not 100% width. FAQ, yeah, it's okay. Let's go to the rooms. Make your stay memorable. Okay, now I don't know what's going on. Okay, relax. Let's click on that. Okay, like where is the X button if I want to leave? Oh, here it is on the left side. The X button, the close button should be on the right upper area. It should be completely different in the color. It should pop out, because not all people will be aware that they can click outside of the lightbox in order to get out, you know. It's very important. Just don't confuse your target audience. Lorem ipsum $C, that's just some kind of call to action bottom banner. Okay, let's go to the about the Clayton Hotel. Okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. The image also has very bright background, but the background of website is very dark. It just makes no sense. So yeah. Okay, so take a look on the mobile, how it looks. Now I can see this is not on the WordPress, it's on the index.html. So it's just a plain HTML, old school good one, or HTML. I know I think it's just a showcase, it's just a project. It's not bad. You know the fundamentals, you know the basics, but it must be fixed. It must be completely customized. See, here's the padding. The padding is missing here. The padding should be, let's say, something like that will align with the logo. Okay, it's not bad. It's really not bad. Yeah, it's really not bad, but it needs few things. Okay, let's go to the Screaming Frog and we will see how Screaming Frog, how many issues will give us. So there's like only one address, index.html, booking.html, about.html, and rooms.html. And let's say, okay, heading 1 per page. That's great. I'm very glad. Heading 2, you don't have heading 2 except on rooms.html. It must be changed. Remember, heading 2, like they are like the chapters on books. You can use as many as you want, heading 2 and heading 3 and heading 4, heading 5, 6 is just like, it's just too much complex. Okay, too many of them. Just stick with the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and occasionally heading 4. Okay, but don't go with the full service with that, if this makes any sense. If not, just let me know in the comment section. So response code, we have 200, we have 404, which is not found. Okay, it's the 404, it's the navigation links. Okay, this, I don't know, it should be fixed in my case. Just make it like redirect or just leave it. Security, yeah, that's okay. External, there's only one CSS link, which is, I think that's the CDN link as well. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so it's not bad from SEO, but like I said, you have fundamentals, you have basics, but it needs to be improved. Let's proceed to the next website from Reddit. It's called iCreate.space. And iCreate.space, I don't know what's going on. So let me just scroll down. And world's first digital community of founders and creators. A community designed to change the way we connect, collaborate, and create. Built for change makers, creators, and founders. Okay, what's going on? Aha, okay.
A creator brings life to the black and white. With imagination and creativity makes this world bright. From the colors of the rainbow to the crown we work on, we are a product of creativity. Imagine a canvas painted by your creations, space where you build the rules, space where your vision comes alive, space that inspires you and empowers you. Limitless in thought, limitless in potential, breathing and living in a space you create. We are iCreate.space.
Okay, just have a couple of questions. The first question is, guys, before the questions, great work. Video is amazing. It's very professional. Like I would say, like one of the best video that I've seen, like for a project. Great thing. Now, just a couple of questions. First, who were controlling the drone? Who were controlling the drone? Because I couldn't spot the person. The second, let me know in the comment section. The second thing is, where is the navigation? I mean, seriously, where is the navigation? And where is the user interface icon? For example, if this is a video, because this is the video, it should have the play icon, okay, with the circle and with the triangle inside, because it will give the signal to brain that, hey, this is the video, okay? It must be changed. Now, where is the navigation? Okay, here's the navigation. So navigation unfortunately appears when you scroll, when you pass the section. That's bad. That's very bad, okay? Make your navigation make it like transparent, okay? But your navigation must be somewhere here in the right upper area. This is what I was expecting. And people will leave immediately. It makes no sense. What I love really animations of these icons, of social media icons. I love this. They're eye-catching. That's really nice. Now, the next thing, let's go to the about. On the mission to enable and empower founders and creators of Bharat. The problem. We're on a mission to help founders and creators build better futures for themselves and others. We spent 2 decades of our life in an education system that does not prepare us for real life. That's deep. I like this. Now, that's not really nice animation. I love the social cards, like the team cards. And Zoro, is this your member? Is this the real member? Then congratulations. He stole my heart. This fella. Okay, I really love the idea. Now, what I don't like here is, for example, like this it wastes my time maybe, because I need just to scroll. Instead of that, I would go with something like with display flex. Instead, with the vertical, I would put this on the horizontal view, so I can just, read from the left to right, whatever I want. I really like this. Let's take a look how it performs on mobile. Probably it performs very well. But this, yeah, I mean, come on, this must be changed. Very professional, but yeah, it must be changed. And also, here on the mobile, make the video vertical, at least 90, okay? 90 viewport height or 80 viewport height. Make it bigger. Now, I really like this, yeah. And there is navigation. Okay. Yeah, and it disappears. That's bad. That's bad. People will run. Okay. Okay, so mobile looks good. Have no issues with the mobile. It's well made, but like I said, it has major issues. Let's take a look how SEO Spider what will SEO Spider tell us. And okay, let's go to the heading one, and we have iCreate.space has 2 heading ones. It's the world's first digital community founders. Okay, you have double. Okay, you have 2 times is the same heading one. That's very bad. That's ridiculously bad. Okay, get rid of this as fast as possible. Now, Rishikesh is like, it has 2 heading one, too many creators, too many. Okay, so that's too many heading one. Aim only for 1 per page. Heading 2, that's okay. You can bring as many heading 2 as you want. Now, page titles. Page titles are not optimized for SERP results, for Google search results. So iCreate space, empowering founders and creators. Make your titles capitalized. Make your titles much more eye-catching and unique. About, I don't know, about what? About me, about you, about... Tell me, about what? Rishikesh, book your next workcation. That's okay. I would say it's something like book your next workation in Rishikesh. Okay? For creators, have no idea what's going on. Founders home, I don't know. FAQ, Rishikesh, I don't know. Is this about the Rishikesh? Rishikesh is the city, right? So I assume Rishikesh is the city, so it's the frequently asked questions about the city. So it's the tourist website, or... See, this is what you need to improve. Okay, so yeah, that was iCreate.space. Let's proceed to the last. And like I said before, if you have interesting website or you have your own website, just drop your link below into the comment section, and I will review your website next time. And also, I have 5 websites, I think 5 or 4 websites from Reddit, the late websites that I will review in the next video as well. So you probably these websites will be reviewed in the next week, if this makes any sense. Okay, let's proceed to the last website, which is bluehostingserver.com, and this is the hosting server. Okay, that's this hosting server. Now, the first thing what I can notice is that I really like the blue color. It's very vibrant. It's quite reminds me the old school HTML. And yeah, I don't like the box shadows. I mean, Wow, that's bad. That's bad. What other features you will get besides web hosting plans, web security, free SSL? It just makes no sense. Get rid of these ugly, ugly box shadows. Now this is the SVG animation. I like this. Yeah, I mean, okay, this is interesting. Okay, this one is interesting. This, in my opinion, should be on the top. Okay, here, because it's eye catching. Okay, and just it just makes sense. New hosting offers and newsletters. Okay, remove the newsletters and just put something like new hosting for WordPress, something like that, and just sign up form or something like similar. Now let's go to I want to know about SEO services. Okay, what you do? So it's the SEO services, or is like the blue hosting is the company? It makes no sense. No sense really. Either go with the hosting or stick with the SEO. That's my recommendation. Okay, so we have basic, monthly. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's really not bad. Let's go to the web design and development. WordPress web development, expert in web design. Okay, free shared hosting. I don't know, like it just makes sometimes it just makes no sense, because you see this all pricing. Like I have pricing table as well, but here's the thing, okay? If you go to my website, let's go to the services, WordPress web design, and first of all, I have something like this. Take me to the pricing, okay? If I'm gonna click on that, it will take me automatically to the pricing. And I have brochure website and I have Max website, but I have something like this: all essential web features, website essentials. So, for example, if someone who is not aware of these terms and she or he doesn't know what's going on, they can just hover over the feature, and they will see what's going on. It's just much more convenient for these people who are not tech savvy. Make sure that people will understand what you want communicate, what you want achieve, okay, what you want tell. Make sure, because otherwise they won't click. Okay, they won't, you won't get anywhere. I really like here's like very solid thing. And again, you have like buttons with the box shadows. I don't like this. Okay, so yeah, it's really not bad website, but it has difficulties, it has issues, and they must be considered, to be fixed. So let's go to the bluehostingserver.com from the iPhone, and there is too much padding. There's too much padding, Now this should be raw reversed in order to get the icon first, and I see it's on the Elementor, so completely just off. Like no one will use your hosting company, or no one will use, like maybe few people, but from the perspective of web designer, no one will use your services because they are based on Elementor, and Elementor is a great tool. I have nothing against Elementor. Here's the link that I create website in Elementor for dog walkers, but it's not stable. You cannot rely on Elementor. It has, it's a third party. It's a third party plugin, and relying your website on Elementor is very bad. I would hard code this website immediately. Okay, so let's just take me like, okay, the mobile version is just decent. Have nothing against the mobile version, like the padding, the columns, that's great. Now let's go to the Screaming Frog and we will see what Screaming Frog tell us. Okay, so the free version just gave us like 500 URL to be checked. That's okay. What I can see now immediately. Now I really like how the titles are optimized. Maybe not all of them, but most of them are optimized. So yeah, it's really nice. And let's see how many heading 1 you have. You don't have heading 1 on your website. That's it. You know, I'm done. My friend, your website must have heading 1. That's my recommendation for today. That's your homework. Implement heading 1 to every page. Here you have heading 1. I don't know why. Defense has no heading 1. CodeGuard website backup has heading 1. Combo offer has no heading 1. Site log has heading 1. But like, you know, make sure that you have heading 1 on every page. Heading 2, that's okay. Content, word count, let's see. We have 2,254 2,254 words. I'm just wondering why. Aha. Okay. That's... Where am I? That's the bidding. Okay. Why this is... I don't know. Okay. It must be fixed. Anyway, listen, guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It was my pleasure to review websites. I hope it help. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe button. It will motivate me to do more content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, for the next website reviews. And if you have interesting website or you have your own website that you would like me to review, hit the comment section and just drop your link. And I will review this probably next 2 weeks. Thank you so much. Take care. It was Igor.